In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ease of movement indicators on TradingView Pro, quick and easy. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. Any chart will work here, so you can follow along with whatever market you're looking at, whether that's stocks, forex, or crypto. On your chart, look toward the top of the screen for the indicators button. It's usually near the middle of the toolbar above the price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens up the main Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and add pretty much any tool you want to your chart. Inside this window, you'll see different categories on the left-hand side. Look for the section labeled Technical. This is where TradingView groups all of the core technical indicators that most traders use. Click on Technical to narrow things down and make it easier to find what we need. Now, at the top of that Indicators window, you'll see a search bar. This is the fastest way to locate a specific indicator without scrolling through a long list. Click into the search field and type in ease of movement. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the results automatically. You should now see ease of movement appear in the list of indicators. This is a volume-based indicator that helps you understand how easily price is moving up or down relative to volume. It can be helpful for spotting when price is moving strongly with relatively little effort, or when moves might not be supported by volume. To add it to your chart, simply click on the ease of movement indicator from the search results. As soon as you click it, the indicator will appear, usually in a separate panel below your main price chart. If you want to customize it, you can hover over the indicator's name on the chart and click the settings icon to adjust colors, line style, or calculation inputs to match your personal trading style. If you don't have TradingView Pro yet, or you're interested in upgrading, check out the link in the video description. You can use that link to sign up and unlock additional features like more indicators per chart, multiple layouts, and other tools that make analysis smoother and more efficient. And that's it. You've successfully added the ease of movement indicator on TradingView Pro. Follow these same steps anytime you want to add or explore other technical indicators on your charts.